Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can integrate Google Ads to Base44. I'm talking about you can integrate one of these apps that you have created to Google Ads. So you can basically send conversions to Google Ads. Maybe a client of yours has filled a form in in your website and you want to, send a conversion to one of your ad campaigns. So what are you going to do? We're actually going to need Zapier, okay guys? So we're just going to come to Zapier in here. We're going to create a new SAP. And in the trigger, I'm just gonna select Base44, okay? As you can see in here, I'm just gonna click on it. And in the trigger ban, I'm gonna say entity ban, and then it's gonna trigger when an entity is created, updated, or deleted, okay? So just click in here. Now, I want you to sign into your Base44 account. This is gonna open, and now you basically have to, paste in your, API key, which you can find in here in the user settings. And once it's done, you have to create an action, which is going to be, we're going to look for Google Ads. And now the event, guys, this is going to be the most important. Easily, you're going to do something like add contact to customer list, create a customer list, or to create a report, or even more importantly, send offline conversion. Okay, this is going to connect to Google Ad campaign. Just click on this, for example, connect to your Google Ads account, and that's going to be it. Thank you so much, guys.